everyone, welcome back to another exciting year of SMS News, home of the Saints. I'm Carly.
I'm Whit.
And I'm Rose. Today we'll be talking about sports, upcoming events, and COVID-19 precautions around our school.
I'm handing it over to Jared, Brett, and Peter to tell us more about COVID-19 precautions around our school. Stay safe, everyone.
Hey, put your mask on.
No, you put your mask on.
Put your mask on.
Fine. Is this right?
Put the mask straps around your ears and then put the cloth part on your nose. No, on your nose.
Oh.
Right.
Thank you. What other things can we do to prevent exposure from the coronavirus?
You should use the desk shield, the hand sanitizer dispensers, and social distance.
Did you know that we have purifiers too?
Wow, these are a lot of safety precautions.
This has been Joey.
Peter.
And Brian.
Thank you for watching SMS News Home with the Saints.
Stay safe, everyone.
Now stay tuned for a commercial break.
Marcella here.
Will here.
Eli here.
Hey, have you heard about the book catalog?
No, I haven't. What is it?
It's an online library.
And Mrs. Grunzig is here to show us about it.
Hello, readers! Welcome to the online public access catalog of St. Mary's School. The easiest way to access our online public access catalog is to go to the St. Mary's School website. Okay, go to My Teacher page, click on it, and the first entry in is the SMS Oct, which stands for Online Public Access Catalog. You can look at this catalog in school and at home. Anywhere you have internet access, you can use. We can search the catalog in 5 ways: all, author, title, subject, and series. And we're going to start with the title search. So the first book we are going to look for is The One and Only Ivan. Okay, it will give us the title, the author. It's a fiction book, and it will tell us if we can get the book in the library. Now, if it's in the catalog, we own it. But if you're going to go look for the book on the shelf, you need to know the call number. The call numbers will always be in the left-hand corner. And let's do an author search. The search I'm going to look for is the infamous Gordon Corman. We have 29 books by Gordon Corman currently in the St. Mary's Library. Let's click on Notorious. It's accelerated reader, so you can test on it. It's available. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is just a quick overview of our new online public access catalog.
I'll sure be checking out some books. Me too.
Now welcoming Benton, Dune, and Jack to tell us more about our amazing sport teams.
Welcome to sports with Dune,
Benton.
And Jack.
Let's see how our Saints are doing. Now to Jack with golf.
The Saints are off to a great start with a 7-2 record. Their lowest team score is a 161 against EDS at the patch. Benton has the lowest score with a 35 at the patch. Now to Dune with volleyball.
The Saints A team has a record of 8-1. Good job, Saints. The Saints B team with a record of 2-3. Keep trying, Saints. Now to Benton with tennis.
Adam is helping out the Saints with an undefeated record, and Lily Rose helping out the girls with a 3-1 record.
Our cross-country team had their personal best on Friday.
Now back to our anchors.
Thanks for that update. Next, upcoming events with Lutz, Luvadna, and Jackson.
Hi, this is the upcoming events with
Jackson.
and Luz. For this month and the beginning of November, our Charleston Wrap fundraiser ends October 20th. Be sure to sell your gift wrap for prizes.
We will be having virtual learning days November 9th through 13th. First quarter ends November 2nd, then report cards go home November 6th. Get your grades up.
Something awesome is we raised $425 for those at Camp Chemo. And now, going back to the anchors.
Thanks for watching. Tune in next time for more. SMS News, home of the Saints.